It's a long trip from Washington to Vietnam, so how does our farm-grown food arrive here so fresh and delicious? Ports like Cat Lai and Ho Chi Minh City play a huge role in bringing Washington fruits and veggies to Vietnamese consumers.
Cat Lai Port is the feeder terminal.
Okay.
We connect with intra-Asia.
Bui Von Quy is the executive president of Saigon Newport Corporation. After Washington products go to a larger port, they are shipped here to be sold in Vietnam or sent to another market in Asia. With so many ships coming and going, this port is very busy.
Every month we are receiving 90 vessels.
During our visit, we were treated to a very special tour.
We import a lot from U.S. And Western states. We import a lot of meat, milk, vegetable, some other seafood as well.
Yeah.
Fruits are very, very popular here. So Washington cherries and Washington apples are incredibly popular here.
Benjamin Patlock is the senior agricultural attaché with the Foreign Agricultural Service. He's lived in Vietnam for over 8 years, working to help improve Vietnamese and U.S. agricultural trade.
How would you say that the relationship is between Vietnam and the United States as far as trade?
Well, it's really great because I kind of feel the trade relationship is a perfect snapshot of how the United States and Vietnam have become closer since we normalized relations in 1995. So in 1995, Vietnam was our 102nd largest market for U.S. food and agricultural products. It's now our 8th largest market.
We see that a lot of potentialities between two countries that we can be reached higher, especially a lot of product from U.S. Can be coming more and more into Vietnam.
What would you like to say to Washingtonians?
First of all, come to Vietnam. It's a great country. There's a lot of excitement here. The Vietnamese love to meet people. They're some of the warmest people I've ever met in my entire life. I would say the relationship between the United States and Vietnam is the best it's ever been. So when you put all these factors together, the amount of opportunities for U.S. agriculture, it just increases every day.